Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will talk about how you're going to improve battery life of an iPhone. Improving your iPhone's battery health can help prevent unexpected shutdowns and extend the life of your iPhone. iPhones with better battery health can anticipate and avoid unexpected shutdowns, which can improve overall system performance. To improve your iPhone's battery life, we suggest you few things. First, we suggest that we should turn off the always on display. You will find all these settings in settings section. Then you should disable haptic feedback when typing. Then you should disable heresy detection. Also, you can reduce the amount of notifications you get. Then you can also use focus modes and also turn off nearby airdrop sharing. Here were the few suggestions we give to improve the battery life of an iPhone. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.